All right, so this table shows the measurements from 3 students' houses to the Cleveland Zoo. And we want to know how many meters does Orlando and Kim altogether live from the Cleveland Zoo. So we have to first figure out the distance in kilometers, how far Orlando and Kim are. So we have to look at our chart. Well, Orlando is 19 kilometers and Kim is 33 kilometers. Okay. Oops, we want that to be green. So if we want to know both of them, we have to first figure out what the distance of both of them is together. So we have to add those two numbers up. So we're going to add 19 plus 33. And remember, when we add, we make sure we line up our digits. So add those up. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2. Bring up the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we have 52 kilometers for both of them, but we want to know it to meters. So we have to change and convert 52 kilometers to meters. So what we know is that we have 52 km over 1, and we want to convert kilometers to meters. So let's go back to our chart. Kilometers to meters. Kilometers to meters, kilometers to meters. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, okay? So knowing that now, that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Because you have your km on the bottom, because that'll cross off the kilometers up top. So cross off km, cross off km. So now we have to go across, because now all we have left is meters. So we have to do 52 times 1,000. And we have to do 1 times 1. Well, 1 times 1 is easy. That's 1. Oops. And then we have to sit here and do 1,000 times 52. So let's do that out. I'm actually going to make this smaller. And we have to multiply that out. 1,000 times 50. Ooh. So you would do 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 1, 2. Then we have to add another 0 because we're crossing out that 2 because we're done with it. And we have to move to the 5. So we place a 0 below. We do 5 times 0, which is 0. Oops. Then we do 5 times 0, which is 0. And then we do 5 times 0, which is 0. And then we do 5 times 1, which is 5. So we put our 5 here. Then we add both those up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. And then 5 with the place value that it would have a 0 there for a holder is 5. So we have 52,000. 52,000. So our answer is 52,000 meters. And that's how far Kim and Orlando in meters are from the Cleveland Zoo. Now, if you remember from 5th grade and part of 4th grade, multiplying with zeros, all you had to do was take 52 when you added it and add the zeros to the end. So of the 1,000. So you would have had 52 with the 3 zeros from the 1,000. But to show your work so you can see it's right here. All right?